welcome to another video of things you know. Today we are going to talk about one of the cheapest microphones from the market, which is the Razer Seiren Mini, the ultra compact condenser microphone, which is how the Razer company name it. The microphone is ultra precise and have a super cardioid pickup pattern that reduces unwanted noise. It is ultra compact and very portable. The microphone gives you a very good recording quality, almost crystal clear. It is also shock resistant with an inbuilt shock mount that dampens vibrations. And beside that, it is very easy to use, just plug and play. This entire video was recorded using the Seiren Mini with no filtering and using the OBS software with the default settings. As a disadvantage, most of the people complain of the build quality, which is plastic. But from my perspective, it does not look cheap and it feels good at touch. And hey, don't forget that it costs only 50 bucks. I will leave you now with the unboxing. If this video helped you to make the choice, then hit the like and subscribe button.